Good morning, students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions in that exercise 14b. Next question, fifth one, arrange the given fractions in descending order of magnitude. In that first one, 5 by 16, 13 by 24, 7 by 8. So these are the fractions given. You have to arrange in descending order. That means from larger fraction to smaller fraction you have to arrange these fractions. Okay. Here you can see these are all unlike fractions. Denominators are not same. They are unlike fractions. So we have to first convert these fractions to like fractions. Then only we can arrange the fractions in descending order. Okay, ഇവിടെ തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത് അൺലൈക്ക് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആണ്. ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആയതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് അൺലൈക്ക് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസ് ആണ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ഇതിനെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ലൈക്ക് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിലേക്ക് കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് വി ഹാവ് ടു മേക്ക് ദ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ സെയിം. ഓക്കെ, ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് ഓൺലി വി ക്യാൻ അറേഞ്ച് ഇൻ ദയർ ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ 5 by 16, second 13 by 24 and 7 by 8. First we have to take the LCM of denominators. That means LCM of 16, 24 and 8. Okay. So if we find LCM using this common division method, all will go in 2. 16 by 2, 8, 24 by 2, 12, 8 by 2, 4. Again we can divide all these numbers by 2. 8 by 2 it is 4. 12 by 2 6. 4 by 2 2. Again you can divide by 2. So 4 by 2 2. 6 by 2 3. 2 by 2 1. Now this 2 we can divide by 2. So 1 3 1. 3 we can divide by 3. So 1 1 1. So the LCM will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 48 you will get. Okay. Now change you have to make the denominators equal to this LCM. So first fraction 5 by 16. We have to make this denominator 48. That is LCM. So we know 16 into 3 it is 48. Numerator also you can multiply by 3. 5 you multiply by 3. 5 into 3 you will get 15. Okay. Second fraction 13 by 24. You have to make the denominator 48. Okay. 24 into 2 it is 48. So 13 also you can multiply by 2. You will get 26 by 48. Now third fraction 7 by 8. 8 into 6 it is 48. Okay, so 7 also you can multiply by 6. 7 into 6 it is 42. So our fractions are, like fractions are 15 by 48, 26 by 48 and 42 by 48. Now we can arrange these fractions in their descending order. From the larger fraction to its smaller fractions you can arrange these fractions. Okay, so which one is larger here? You can compare their numerators. Here 15, 26, 42. So 42 is the greater number or greater numerator. So first you can write 42 by 48. And this fraction is greater than. We are arranging in a descending order. So use greater than symbol. Okay, 42 by 48 is greater than. Next it is 26 by 48. It is greater than 15 by 48. Okay. Now we can write their, resubstitute their original fractions given in the question 5 by 16, 13 by 24 and 7 by 8. So these, in place of these fraction you can resubstitute their original fractions given in the question. Okay. In place of 42 by 48 you can write 7 by 8 greater than 26 by 48. You can write 13 by 24 greater than. In place of 15 by 48 you can substitute 5 by 60. So this is the, this is their descending order. I mean these fractions now we arrange in their descending order. 7 by 8 is the greatest fraction here. 7 by 8 greater than 13 by 24 greater than 5 by 16. Okay. Second question, 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 11 by 20, 3 by 4. You have to arrange these fractions in their descending order. Okay. So in these fractions also denominators are not same. Denominators are different. So we have to make the denominators same. For that what we have to take? We have to take LCM of denominators. That means LCM of 5, 15, 20 and 4. Okay. So finding LCM using this common division method. You can divide 5, 15 and 20 by 5. 5 by 5 it is 1, 15 by 5 3, 20 by 5 4, 4. This 3 you can divide by 3, so 1, 1, 4, 4. 4 you can divide by 2. Don't take 4 because 4 is a composite number. Okay, use only prime number for division. So 1, 1, 4 by 2 it is 2, 4 by 2 again 2. This 2 you can divide by 2. You will get 1, 1, 2 by 2 it is 1, 2 by 2 1. So what will be the LCM here? 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. You will get 15 into 4. It is 60. Okay, 60 will be the LCM. Now make the denominators equal to this LCM, that is 60. So first fraction 4 by 5. We have to make the denominator 60. Okay. 5 into 12 it is 60. So for numerator 4 also you multiply by 12. 4 into 12 it will be 48 by 60. Second fraction 7 by 15. You have to make the denominator equal to 60. 15 into 4 it is 60. So 7 also you can multiply by 4. 7 into 4 it is 28. So the fraction will be 28 by 60. Third fraction 11 by 20. Make the denominator equal to 60. So 20 into 3 it is 60. So 11 you multiply by 3 and 11 into 3 it is 33. So you will get 33 by 60. And last 3 by 4. So make the denominator equal to 60. 4 into 15 it is 60. So 3 you can multiply by 15 and 3 into 15 it is 45. So you got 48 by 60, 28 by 60, 33 by 60 and 45 by 60 like fractions. Now you can arrange in their descending order. Okay, greater numerator you can write first. The fraction having greater numerator. Here you can see it is 48. 48 by 60. This fraction have greater numerator. 48 by 60 greater than. Next it is 45 by 60. Greater than. Then it is 33 by 60 greater than, and last it is 28 by 60. Now you can resubstitute the original fraction. Okay, their original fractions given on the question, you can resubstitute that. What you will get? In place of 48 by 60 you can substitute 4 by 5 greater than. 45 by 60 it is 3 by 4 greater than. 33 by 60 it is 11 by 20 greater than, and last 28 by 60 it is 7 by 50. So this is their descending order. 4 by 5 greater than, 3 by 4 greater than, 11 by 20 greater than, 7 by 50. In that third one you can do as homework. Next, sixth question. Arrange the given fractions in ascending order of magnitude. So here you have to arrange in ascending order. That means from smaller fraction to larger fraction you have to write. First question, 9 by 16, 7 by 12 and 1 by 4. So the steps are the same. denominators are different. So you have to make the denominators same. After that, you can arrange them in their ascending order. Okay. So here, in order to make the denominators equal, we have to take LCM of denominators. That is LCM of 16, 12 and 4. Okay. So LCM 16, 12 and 4. You can divide by 2, 8, 6, 2. Again you can divide by 2, 4, 3, 1. 3 you can divide by 3, so 4, 1, 1. 4 you can divide by 2, so 2, 1, 1. 2 you can divide by 2, so 1, 1, 1. LCM will be 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 48. 48 will be the LCM. Okay. Now make the denominators equal to this LCM, that is 48. So first fraction 9 by 16. You have to make the denominator 48. Now we know 16 into 3, 48. So 9 you multiply by 3. 9 into 3, 27 by 48. This will be the fraction. Okay. Second fraction 7 by 12. Make the denominator equal to 48. 12 into 4, 48. So 7 into 4, 28 by 48. Third fraction 1 by 4. 4 into 12. You will get 48. So 1 into 12. That is 12. Okay, we got 27 by 48, 28 by 48, 12 by 48. Denominators are same. Now you can arrange in their ascending order. That means from smaller fraction you can write. Okay, starting from smaller fraction. Which one will be the smaller? The fraction having smaller numerator. That is, here it is 12. 12. 12 by 48. Less than. You are arranging in ascending order, so use less than symbol. Next, which fraction has the smaller numerator? It is 27 by 48. Okay, less than. And last, it is 28 by 48. Now resubstitute their original fraction. In place of 12 by 48, you can substitute 1 by 4 less than 27 by 48, it is 9 by 16 less than 28 by 48, it is 7 by 12. So this is their ascending order. Okay, do the second one and third one as homework. Seventh question. I bought 1 dozen bananas and ate 5 of them. What fraction of the total number of bananas was left? So here you have to write the total number of bananas left in fraction. Okay, I bought 1 dozen bananas. That means what is this 1 dozen? 1 dozen means it is 12. Okay, so total number of bananas I bought, it is 1 dozen. That means 12 bananas are there. Okay, in total 12 bananas are there. That means 1 dozen bananas. Okay, 12 bananas are there. And number of bananas I ate, it is given 5. Okay, in total 12 bananas were there. In that 5 bananas I ate. So what will be the remaining number of bananas? Remaining number of bananas, it will be 12 minus 5, you will get 7. Okay, this remaining number of bananas you have to write in fraction form. What fraction of total bananas was left? Okay, so in fraction you can write it, the number of bananas left, it is 7 out of total number of bananas, it is 12. So 7 by 12. Okay, therefore you can write the required fraction equal to 7/12. Okay, total ആയിട്ട് 12 bananas ആണുള്ളത്. That means 1 dozen. 1 dozen means it is 12. Okay, അതിൽ 5 bananas കഴിച്ചു. Okay, so remaining എത്ര bananas ആയിരിക്കും? It is 12 minus 5, 7 bananas were left. Okay, you have to write this remaining number of bananas in fraction. What fraction of total number of bananas was left? That is the question. Okay, total numberൻ്റെ എത്ര fraction ആണ് അവിടെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത്? So you can write like this: remaining number of bananas it is 7 and total number it is 12. So the required fraction it is 7/12. Okay. 8th question, insert the symbol equal to or greater than or less than between each of the pairs of fractions given below. So you have to find whether it is equal to sign or less than sign or greater than sign will come in this. Okay, in between these two fractions. So first one, 6/11, 5/9. You have to compare these two fractions actually. So what to do? In order to compare, make the denominator same. ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിനെ കമ്പയർ ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ ഏത് വലുതാണ് ഏത് ചെറുതാണെന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണമെങ്കിൽ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് സെയിം ആയിരിക്കണം ഫ്രാക്ഷൻസിൻ്റെ. സോ ഹിയർ ഡിനോമിനേറ്റേഴ്സ് ആർ ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ്. യു ക്യാൻ മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ് സെയിം ബൈ ഫൈൻഡിങ് ദെയർ LCM. LCM of 11 and 9. LCM of denominators 11 and 9 it is 99. Next step, make the denominators equal to this LCM. So what you will get? 11 into 9 you will get 99. So 6 you can multiply by 9. Okay, so 6 into 9 it is 54 by 11 into 9, 99. Next fraction 9. In the denominator it is 9. You have to make that equal to 99. 9 into 11, 99. So 5 you can multiply by 11. Okay, 5 into 11 it is 55 by 9 into 11, 99. Now you can compare their numerators. If denominators are same means you can compare their numerators. Denominators same ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ numerators compare ചെയ്താൽ മതി. 54, 55. 55 is the greater number or greater numerator. So 55 by 99 will be the greater fraction. Okay, now you can resubstitute. That means in place of 54 by 99 you can write 6/11, and in place of 55 by 99 you can substitute 5/9. So 6/11 less than 5/9. So in the first blank it will be less than. Okay, in that second one, 3/7, 9/13. So here also denominators are different, so you can find the LCM of denominator. LCM of 7 and 13, it is 13 into 7, that will be 91. Okay, now make the denominators equal to this LCM. 7 into 13 it is 91. So 3 into 3. 3 into 3, 9/7 into 13, 91. 9/91 will be the first fraction. Second one, 13. 13 into 7 it is 91. You have to make the denominator equal to 91. 13 into 7, 91. So 9 you can multiply by 7. Now 9 into 7 it is 63. Sorry, here 7 into 13, 3 into 13. 3 into 13 it is 39. Sorry, here 39 by 91 you will get. Okay, next 9 into 7, 63 by 13 into 7 it is 91. Now you can compare their numerator. Denominators are same, that's why. So 39, 63, clearly 63 by 91 is the greater fraction. Okay, now resubstituting their original fractions. In place of 39 by 91 you can write 3/7. In place of 63 by 91, 9/13. So 3/7 is less than 9/13. Okay, 3 by 7 less than 9 by 13. So in the second blank also less than will come. Do the third one and fourth one as homework. Ninth question. Out of 50 identical articles, 36 are broken. Find the fraction of the total number of articles and the articles broken. So here total 50 articles are there. It is given in the question. Okay. 36 are broken. Out of that 50 articles, 36 are broken. First question, find the fraction of the total number of articles and the articles broken. So, the total number of articles, it is given 50, and the articles broken, it is given how many articles are broken, it is 36. Therefore, the required fraction, you have to find the fraction of the total number of articles and the articles broken. Total number of articles is 50 by articles broken, it is 36. So 50 by 36. You can reduce this. Both will go in 2. 50 divided by 2, 25. 36 divided by 2, 18. So the fraction is 25 by 18. Okay, this is the first answer. Now second one, the remaining articles and the total number of articles. Okay, so in total number of articles, 36 are broken. Total 50 are there, and out of that 50 articles, 36 are broken. Therefore, what will be the remaining number of articles? Remaining articles, it will be 50 minus 36. Okay, total 50 articles are there. Out of that 36 are broken. Therefore, the remaining articles, remaining number of articles, it is 50 minus 36. You will get 14. Okay. Now you have to find the remaining articles and the total number of articles, their fraction. Therefore, what will be the required fraction? Required fraction equal to remaining articles, it is 14 by total number of articles, it is 50. So 14 by 50. You can reduce this. It will be, both will go in 2. 14 divided by 2, 7. 50 divided by 2, 25. So the required fraction, it will be 7 by 25. Okay.